8 tips to rank YouTube SEO in 2022. Tips number 1, pick your keywords wisely. You can use the same keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner, Moz, or SEMrush, H Super Tool. Tips number 2, use keywords in your video titles. If you are looking a product view, then use the product name in the video titles and the descriptions. It sounds really simple, but there are so many YouTube channels that miss these steps. Tips number 3, include the keyword in your video file. Super simple, but YouTube may use this as one of the ranking factor when it is come to showing your video in search result. If the file name you are uploading has the target keyword in it, your video will have much better chance of being ranked. Tips number 4, optimize your video descriptions. One of the most important ranking factor for your video SEO is making sure you have a solid optimized video descriptions. Whenever you are changed or updated any YouTube video elements, which include video descriptions, subtitles, and closed captions, and video thumbnails, YouTube will re-evaluate the video. Tips number 5, use hashtags to drive YouTube search results. Tag specifically help drive search as they make key trends more visible. Once you add hashtag to a video description, it will be shown above the title of the video. Tips number 6, select video category. YouTube has a variety of category options. You can select the category options when uploading your video. Tips number 7, customize your YouTube thumbnails. Grab people's attentions when they are look at your YouTube search results. Thumbnail can lead as a higher watch time, have a big influence on YouTube ranking. Tips number 8 is the last tips. Add subtitles and the closed captions. Subtitles and the closed captions file contain the text of what's said in the video, like a transcript. Please don't forget to subscribe this video, support me, like and share these channels. Thank you. See you later.